from EB China. Welcome to our live show about the new concept of fine crunching and grinding technology in cement and mining industries. So this is my partner, Hu Zhen. Hello. Okay. So firstly, let me wish all my friends here happy Chinese New Year. Okay, so Hu Zhen, do you know our English company name?
Our company name is EB China.
Yes, okay, EB China. Actually, our full company name is called Eternal Bliss Alloy Casting and Forging Company Limited. Okay, so we are located in Wuxi, Jiangsu Province, about 150 kilometers far from Shanghai. So our nearest seaport is Shanghai Port. Okay, so far we have been the good supplier on Alibaba International for more than 6 years. Also, TUV has come to our foundry to do the on-site assessment in recent 2 years. Okay, so Hu Zhen, could you please show us some certificates, Alibaba's certificates? Okay. This one? Yes. Okay, so camera there. Okay. Yes. Okay, so you can see so far we have been the verified supplier certificate. Okay, so you can see our company name. Yes, our website on Alibaba, and Okay, so the certificate validity. Yes. Okay. So this is a certification and photos, quality assurance, current export situation, and our company overview. So TUV has come to our company and our foundry to do the on-site assessment. So then after we passed the audit, then they issue the certificate to us. Okay, thank you. Okay, so since last year we also has become the global supplier made in China. So also they also arranged appointed SGS to come to our company and our foundry to do the on-site audit. So then they issued the certificate to us. From this certificate, you can see we have been the audited supplier. This is our company name, and this is our website made in China. Yes, this is the date, the audited date. This is an audit report serial number. Yes, everything is clear on this certificate. Okay, thank you. Okay, so also we so far EB China also is the member of e-commerce Wuxi Commerce Chamber. We are the member of this chamber. Okay, you can see that. Okay, thank you. So EB China also has participated in many activities in this held by this chamber in recent 3 years. Okay, so we would like to show you more certificates. In recent 6 years, EB China has passed many different certifications. Okay, so we'd like to show you many different management system. Okay, so the first one. Okay, thank you. The first one is the EB China has passed quality management system. This certificate complies with GB-T 19001-2016, ISO 9001-2015 requirements. This certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings. Yes. Also, you can see our certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification. Also, our unified social credit code of the certified organizations. Okay, so you can see IAF, CNAS, this global international organizations issued the certificate to us. Okay. Yeah, this is our quality management system certificate. Okay, the second one. Okay, Hu Jun brings us the second certificate. Okay, so what's the certificate about?
About GBT 45001 2020 ISO 45001 2018.
Yes, so this certificate is about occupational health and safety management system. Okay, so this certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings and signs. Okay, also you will see that this is also our main supply scope. From this certificate, you can see our certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, and date of initial certification. Also, you can find our company unified social credit code. Okay, so you can see everything is clear on this certificate. Okay, thank you. So, okay. Okay, so the next certificate is about our environmental management system. Okay, so what's the certificate is about?
About
Standard.
GBT 24001 2016 ISO 14001 2015.
Okay. Also, you can see the certified scope, supply of alloy castings and forgings and size, all the certificate number, certification date, certificate valid date. All these numbers and date are shown clearly on this certificate. Okay, thank you. Okay, so just now you will understand that EB China has passed many different certifications. Also, we not only just focus on marketing, sales, and production of alloy castings, forgings. Also, we focus on the research development of our new materials and new technology, new grinding and crushing process technology. Yes. Okay. So we'd like to show you our 22 patents for you. Okay. Yes, this is a business license. This is our business license. Okay. How about our patents? Okay, let's check. Okay, so yes, this is the patent is about political chromoly alloy and heat treatment method. Okay, this patent is about material handling baskets. Okay, this patent is about lift bar castings for mining industry, and this patent is for cast bands. Yeah, this one is for our plant forms about the threading machining facilities. This patent. Okay. Next patent is about high strength and high tensile lift bars for stank mill liners. Okay. This patent is about for disattached aluminum castings. Okay, this one is for metallurgical system. It's a kind of facility improvements. Okay, this one is for new material, high alloy, heat resistant, wear resistant, corrosion resistant, high chrome alloy casting machining process. Okay, this one is for cold mill boatless liners. So you can see, yes, this is the patent. It's also for different products. This true. You can see many different patents. Yes, this is for our foundry flasks improvements. Okay. This patent is for high quality nickel tubes. Okay, this is our software copyright. Yes, for our temperature control system about our tamping, steel tamping, liquid tamping from our melting furnaces. Okay. Yes, this is for a kind of metal cooling facility. Yeah, this is for this software copyrights mostly are for our production process. Yeah, this is our trademarks. EB Weld. We have different trademarks. This is for EB Weld. Okay. EB Weld, EB Bose. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So my dear friends, just now we spent about 20 minutes to introduce our company information, and now you can make. We just hope that you can make better understanding about EB China. Okay, so next let's discuss our today's topic. Okay, so Hu Zhen, what's the topic of today's our lecture?
What is the new concept of vibration and grading technology in segment and meaning interface?
Okay, so let's see the next. So what kind of new concept we will introduce to you? Okay, actually it's a kind of boatless ball mill liners. Okay. Okay, so could you please read for us for this paragraph?
About us on the sale of audio system energy. The step extending export the compression after put forward
不是，我说这里这个地方。现在讲的是衬板，但是它下面出现的是螺栓 M30螺栓。
你放点半分钟衬板，荧光衬板。这里这个地方它显示的是。这个地方显示是。Okay, thank you. So let's move to the next page. Okay. So what's the proposal for our today's topic?
It's actually purpose that clinical and entry ready for both will be the best competition in seven for bio energy.
Engineering, yes. Yes. So this article proposes the ceramic liners and the metal grinding balls. Yes. Yes, in cement mills. Also, this article also introduced
Introduce a new type of road premium cast iron grinding mill
balls.
designed for my grinding process.
Yes. Okay, so next page. Okay, so what's the significance for our new concept introduction?
Cement and mini industries are the vertical industries in the national
Economy.
Yes. They have the
Characteristics of sustainability. Yes.
Large volume and high energy
Consumption.
Therefore, high
Efficiency.
and low
Consumption.
Are current topics in the segment mini industries.
Okay. So
Looking at the and the forging market, there are greater ups and downs and free competition. The update for in enterprise competition will high and cost. Therefore, technology upgrade and present education should be the top priority of private and place development.
okay, thank you. So for the next page. Okay, my dear friends, if you are interested in our sand mill liners, cement mill liners, please feel free to contact us. Firstly, to follow our Alibaba shop, then email us or send us message to your requirements. Then we'd like to prepare for the best quotation for you. Okay. Okay, so how about our new concept of fine crushing and grinding process?
Fine crushing and grinding
Production.
Production is the line link in cement production and only with fine crushing.
Beneficiation.
Which
Power.
competition agreement for nearly
70%
of the
entire
production process. Therefore,
Yes.
the improvement of the fine crushing and grinding process is the net of the increase to achieve energy saving, power conservation, reducing and efficiency improvement.
Okay, thanks, Hu Jun. Please move to the next page. Okay, so in the cement plants, small and medium-sized mines, the application of roller presses has resulted in a faster improvement in the production process. The high efficiency of fine crushing function of the roller presses, promotes crushing and grinding separation and eliminating the crushing function of ball mills off-site service. Okay?
However, after the advancement of the new process, the design of the ball mill and the
Internal structure
of the mills and didn't make any countries overall process according to the new working conditions. Also
position
the ball mill from the processual point of view,
promoting
the ball mill to the new
material working
environment, improving the working
efficiency
of the ball mill and
perfectly.
Combing the two concepts, Chris and become a new code.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's move to the next page. Okay, on this page, Wu Jun introduced the roller press. Okay, so traditional theories. Yes.
Traditional theories cannot longer with the development collectment of the cement and many technology upgrades. Therefore, we propose a new concept of fine crushing and grinding technology.
Okay, good. So let's move to the next page. Okay, so what's the significance of the new concept process? First one,
Establishing the working start of the ball mills under the new
material.
condition.
Okay, second one,
And
effectively combining
it well with the
roller press. Okay, thirdly, increasing
the output.
Yes. Fourthly,
Reduce
reducing
energy
consumption. Yes. Fifthly,
improving particle shape.
okay. Sixthly,
Optimizing
optimizing
new design
optimizing particle structure. Okay. Seventhly, striving
for the highest stress of
cement. Yes. Okay. Good. This is our significance of our new concept process. Okay. So now, how about the roller press?
The roller press is
Efficient
fine press,
crusher. Yes. What's the fit size?
generally below
15 millimeter. Yes. Okay. Normally,
generally below 6 millimeter in view of
normally the fit size.
the size of bigger feed particles is controlled within less than 5% of the ruler
Diameter. Yes. Okay. How about the outer size?
generally below 6 millimeter in view of the working critical of the press. It will produce a large amount of medical
micro
materials.
materials. Okay. So you can see for the ruler's press, the fit size is about 50 millimeter, and the output size is about less than 6 millimeter. Okay. So what's the application of our ruler press? Completely
Changing the placement of crushing by grading process of the ball mills.
okay. Secondly, eliminating
The
concepts.
of the crushing bee in the
Cement.
cement mill.
Yes, good. Thirdly,
In crushing
increasing
increasing the depth of grading bee of the cement mills naturally by about 4 meters in the
existing.
working condition.
Okay. Fourthly,
The greatly improve the
efficiency.
efficiency of the crushing and grading process. Both cement and small, medium-sized mass. This is a
Significant
process improvement.
improvement. Yes. So this is the application of the ruler press. Ruler press is not used for grinding, not for grinding. Okay. Move to the next page. However, the wide application of the ruler press and the change of the new material working conditions did not cause any change of the ball mills, which are the core equipment of the fine crushing process. Throughout the domestic and overseas ball mills, in the grinding section, firstly, 30-meter long is still 30-meter long. Secondly, 2 or 3 compartments are still 2 or 3 compartments. Thirdly, the ball grinding is still ball grinding. Fourthly, the stepped liners are still stepped liners. Okay. So ball mills just remain unchanged. This is a big question. Okay, so
Ball mills with the highest energy
consumption
and the
lowest
lowest
efficiency.
efficiency
Yes.
in the cement and lime crushing process still remain
unchanged. Yeah, this is a big question. Okay. So the high efficiency of the ruler press, the low efficiency of the ball mills, and the fierce market competition have forced some people to dislike the poor and love the rich. Okay, so firstly, the ruler press is used in an attempt to replace the grinding by crushing. Okay, secondly, with the closed circle ruler press system, try to increase the final particles below 80 microns to 40%, 50%, 60%, and 70%. Thirdly, declare no balls with the practical actions. Okay. So
we are known that the placement of crushing by grading is not always that the placement of grading by crushing is not good either.
okay. Okay, my dear friend, here. So if you are interested in any wheel parts, wheel castings, especially stank mill liners, cement mill liners, coal mill liners, please feel free to contact us. Firstly, to follow our shop on Alibaba, then email us your inquiries or just send a message to us. And then we'd like to prepare for good offer for you. Thank you. Okay, in the current production process in cement mining industry, the main equipment is the ball mill, okay, which cannot be discarded. So, Ujun, okay.
More improvement.
Importantly,
similar to factory
vertical mills.
The exchange helical shape of the root process is many flakes and in every shape, especially in the cement industry. It comes from lines, trees, ducts in the later concept production. Compared with the rounded particles of the ball mills, the water stone
Storage capacity
of the concept, which is made from cement.
You can see. So, camera is here. You can see. So just the side. Yes, side. You can see. This is the. So you can decide where you will. How did you stand? Okay. Just. Here. Yes. Okay. Let's go ahead.
With the rough particles of the ball mill, the water stone particles of concrete, which is made from cement, is increased by 6 to 8%, produced by press rollers, which is many flake and iron green.
Irregular.
Particles.
Yes.
Water is void. The increase in water is not only increase of cost, but also reducing of concrete quality. The increase in water
Storage
also means the increase of concrete factory, which also cannot meet the requirements of the modern
construction. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Please move to the next page. Okay. Therefore, in the important concrete projects, cement in flaky or irregular particle forms should not be the first consideration. Okay. So.
Flake or iron free particle shape will fit yield of
Concentrated
powder.
Powder, yes. Okay, good. There are different opinions about the granularity of the roller press. Okay.
The new concept believes that there are about 100 to 500 microns is good, and the work of
Adjusting
the particle shape is left to the ball mills. The particle
finance
should be properly fed, and the huge ball of the ball mills should be
available
for working.
Okay, thank you. For the next page, in actual working conditions, the main equipment for crushing and grinding the ball mills, which consume a lot of electricity. Yes, is 13-meter long. To increase the efficiency and energy saving, it is necessary to give full play to its effective working capacity in the 13-meter long grinding journey. Okay. 13-meter long grinding journey. Okay.
Therefore, the discharge particle size over the roof process must be determined according to the working conditions and the maximum working capacity of the ball mills.
Yes. Okay. So, in the section 4, we will talk about the ball mills. Okay.
A ball mill is a type of grinding machine. The rotating
Cylinder
drivers, the grinding balls, and the main
materials
in the mill
compartments
to roll and
slide.
together.
Yes.
The main
Materials.
is rubber.
Yes.
Formed and becomes final between the grinding balls and the grinding balls, between the grinding balls and the mill grinders.
Okay, thank you. Let's move to the next page. Okay, so this photo is about cement mill. Cement mill, and the diameter is 3.8 meters. The length is 13 meters. And you can see from this cement mill, the body is full of bolts. Okay. From this photo, you can see this is the cement mill liners are without bolt holes, no holes. So we call boltless mill liners. Okay. So this photo is about the sand mill, semi-automatic mill. The diameter is 11.2 meters. Yes, very big for crushing in mining industry. Okay. Okay, so
standing that small energy, more impact is not accurate.
okay, so with the application of edge mills and sand mills in large mines, and with the wide application of roller presses in the cement industry and the medium and small mines, the requirements for the crushing function of ball mills can be eliminated. The grinding theory of mine ball mills and cement ball mills is becoming more and more consistent. The working environment and working purpose are becoming more and more consistent. Okay?
The length of the ball mill which we are discussing is
8 to 13 meters. Yeah, 8 to 13 meters long.
Which is the most common in the
Current
working conditions of the cement industry and the mines. And for the computation with the roof press under the new battery.
new material conditions, whether
the ball mill is the best choice.
what diameter and
length of the ball mill shall be
selected. Okay?
The working
Theory.
of
AG mills.
is changed for crashing
function. Yeah. Okay. Last one.
Within the
School.
school of
Discussion. Okay. So let's move to the next page. Okay, bone mill is a kind of grinding machine with a simple structure, convenient maintenance, stable production and operation, safe and reliable, and suitable for large-scale industrial production. Its adaptability to various materials and the good particle shape and structure of the final product are irreplaceable so far. Okay.
Simplest burns nine 1,000 to 891 until today. Bone mills have been widely used in many cement, concrete, power plants,
Chemical
energy, power, and other industries. Some mill runs from 0.5 meters in the power industry to 12.2 meters in modern life, and the mill length ranges from 2.1 meters in the
chemical engineering.
industry
Yes.
to 14.5 meters long in fashion industry. The bone mill has increased rise in the of modern industry.
Good. Okay. Let's move to the next page. Unfortunately, only few people really understand the bone mills. In the fine grinding process, a bone mill is the key to improve the efficiency and reduce the energy consumption for the whole system. Okay?
The bone mill
Mm-hmm.
is a low
Efficiency.
grinding machine,
Mm-hmm.
which produces power in grinding about 15 cents to 6 cents.
Mm-hmm.
In view of the working
Principle.
of the bone mill,
Mm-hmm.
it is quite accurate with a driving motor with a
Huge power. Mm-hmm.
with the development of industrial production, gas coating of crushing and grinding equipment becomes large and large. At present, common cement mills are usually 3.8 to 5 meters in
Diameter.
and quite
Equipped.
with 2,800 to 3,500 kilograms
KW.
kW
Yes.
in large amounts. The management of commonly used bone mills is 6 to 8 meters, and the power is 4,000 to 15,000 to 16,000 and 600 kW. The installed power of AG mills and SAG mills 20 meters in which come from the electrification of the ball mill and reached 428,000 kW.
Okay, thank you. So let's move to the next page. Okay, so the large size ball mills not only consume huge energy but also are operating in harsh working conditions, which make higher requirements on wear-resistant materials. So, for example, in a semi-automatic mine mill with a diameter of 10.37 meters or more, the service life of one set of mill line is 400 millimeters thick is often less than 3 months. Okay, so very short service life. Okay. So
Therefore, the ball mill must increase effectively and reduce energy
consumption, yes.
So the new grading concept
Yes.
of ball mills system should be
Introduced. Okay, good. So let's move to the next page. And also, my dear friends here, if you are interested in our high alloy castings and forgings, please feel free to contact us. Firstly, to follow our shop here. Also, send us an email and send us a message about your requirements. Then we'd like to prepare for good quotation for you. Thank you. Okay. So in fact, the working conditions of ball mills in the cement and the mining industries have undergone tremendous changes. The wide application of roller presses, edge mills, and sand mills has reduced the fit size of the ball mills to the micro level. The so-called crushing filo has died out in name, and the multi-compartment division of the ball mills is meaningless. Okay, so the effective length of about 10 meter cement mills provides a good foundation of the efficiency improvement and power consumption reduction of the ball mills. Under the new working conditions, the first important task is to clarify what's the main job for the ball mill. Okay?
The new concept believes that the job of the ball mill is to adjust the shape of the medical as close to medical as possible. To adjust the particle growth
Structure.
structure of the discharged medical to the best state as much as possible. In conclusion, to make it cement to
present
to the highest
quality.
连接成功。
to make the oil to appreciate the highest
Selection rate.
selection rates.
Yeah, this is our conclusion. To make the cement to present the highest quality, to make the ore to obtain the highest selection rate. Okay? So,
Perhaps one day the ball mill will change its name to shaping machine.
yeah, shaping machine. Okay. So, in section, let's move to the section 5. In this section, we will talk about the internal structure of the ball mills. Okay.
Under the new working conditions to
Adapt.
adapt to the new work, the internal
Structure.
structure of the ball mills must be changed.
Okay, so let's move to the next page.
we put forward the new concept of single compartment mill. The core meaning stand
Consoling.
consoling the intermediate
Mediate. Diaphragm.
plates.
Yes.
As you may know, the
Intermediate.
grade plans will
Affect
grading
efficiency.
of the ball mills. Have the
Fastest.
will
Course.
cause the mind
Maintenance. Okay. So the basis of the single chamber mill concept is the simplex work of the ball mills. The pre-crushing system before entering into the mills has completed crushing the materials. The single chamber mills unify the work of the ball mills. It makes the materials in the mills to run more stably and smoothly. It makes the quality of the materials in the mills more consistent. Okay.
Please note that single
Compartment
mill is by no means as simple as removing the intermediate
diaphragm.
Grade plans. More than 20 years ago, we put forward the ball mill system
Engineering.
There, the working produce of the ball mills is a
Comprehensive
scientific system
engineering. Okay, so let's go to the next page. The length of 30 meters in the ball mills is a long journey for the grinding material. Based on the operation of the material in the single chamber mills, the maximum diameter of the material and the particle structure of the material are different from the feeding end to the discharging end. Each grinding section of the ball mills has different requirements for the running trajectory and activation of the materials and the grinding media. Therefore, it must not remain unchanged.
The mill lineups in the chamber mills are often designed to consist of 5 or 6 types.
Yes, 5 to 6 types of mill liners. Okay, so in the industrial case of a cement mill with a diameter of 3.8 meters and 30 meters in length, the single chamber mill installed with combined self-fixing boltless liners has been successfully operated for 7 years. Okay. Compared with the traditional mills, their output has increased by 20% and the power consumption per ton is only about 25 kWh. More importantly, the service life of wear-resistant materials has been increased by more than 50%. Okay, let's move to the next page. So,
in the cement mill with a diameter of 4.2, 13.5 meters long. The output per hour is as high as 290 pounds. Grade 42.5
Cement. Electricity consumption.
Total is about 24 kWh.
Yes. Okay. Now let's move to the section 6. In this section, we will talk about the gradation of the grinding balls.
The new concept believe that grading is zero.
Yes, in the roller press combined grinding process system, the crushing function of the ball mills is no longer needed. Yes. Okay, let's move to the next page.
The so-called
Gradation
legs. So the zero and practice purple in the
long-term
operation of the ball mills. The gradation is impossible to achieve.
Yes.
The larger the ball grading difference, the more practical in longer running time.
Yes. Okay. Gradation. So the new concept believes that only a uniform ball diameter has the greatest grinding ability, because a uniform ball diameter has the largest contact area with the material. The larger the difference of the grading ball diameter, the more the grace, then the smaller the contact area between the balls and the material, the worse the grinding ability will be.
In our cement mills, industrial
Experiments
on
uniform
diameter
diameter. Yes.
balls. The greatest of the particles dresses the cement output and the power
Consumption
to the
results.
have been achieved.
Yes. Okay. Let's move to the next page. Okay. So now let's move to the section 7. The choice of liners, lining plates, and grinding ball material. Okay, so the new concept believes that the best wear-resistant materials must be selected, and both the liner and the grinding ball should maintain the best design surface profile for a long time in the mill operation. Okay. Excellent.
Wear-resistant
Materials. Yes.
are the
Technological basis.
for improving impressive and integer saving. Sediment well-restored materials not only extend the life of working parts, reduce maintenance and increase operation rate. More importantly, excellent well-informed manager can maintain the design shape of working parts for a long time. The shape force the ball mill to achieve best oxidation and to enhance efficiency and produce the highest quality product with the lowest power consumption.
Consumption. let's move to the next page. Okay, my dear friends here. So if you are interested in our high alloy castings and forgings products, especially for our wear-resistant castings, including the sand mill liners, cement mill liners, coal mill liners, and the lift bar castings for sand mills, please feel free to contact us. And you can follow our shop on Alibaba International. Also, you can email us or just send us a short message about your inquiry and your requirements. Then we'd like to prepare for the best prices for you. Okay, thank you.
Boston liners and the grinding balls should choose the best water-resistant method which can achieve the most cost-effective operation level. There is no fair-share strong relationship between the mill liners and the grinding balls as there are raw
Materials.
lying between them.
Yes. Okay. Next to move. Yeah. Let's move to the next page. Taking the dry grinding process represented by the cement industry as an example, the preferred material for the liners grinding balls is undoubtedly high chromium cast iron. However, how shall we choose among the various high chromium cast iron materials in the current market? We recommend three principles for choosing high chromium cast iron grinding balls. First one, carbon content should be above 3%. Second, chromium content should be above 15%. Third, the hardness is more than HRC 60. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay.
The new concept believes that only the highest quality will respond. Unity can make the highest quality from cost range reduce complete the sugar task of increasing efficiency and reducing consumption in process design and meet the real development of large-scale industry projection for grading equipment.
Okay, thank you. So let's move to the next page. We do not approve of the current popular 8% chromium, 10% chromium, 11% chromium grinding balls and liners on the market. The design concept of this material is only limited to the yield to the market. There is no scientific rationality. Please remember, the high chromium cast iron invented by the Germans in 1946 is 15% chromium and 3% moly. Okay.
So we are resistant.
Resistant.
Resistant
Yes. Sleeves.
with the development for sending heavy industry. 3.7% carbon. 26 and 1.8% more really. 1.2% meal, 0.6% cost. In the comparative test conditioned by by Sandy heavy industry. The well response of the well-responded civil who produced was encouraged by 37% in competition of the water farms, gentlemen in element, which helped the Sunday health industry to operate the international market share.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for your introduction. Okay, let's move to the next page. Simplified chemical composition design not only fails to produce excellent wear-resistant materials and also cannot promote production, but also seriously wastes limited human resources. You know, our country's iron ore resources are very poor, and iron ore with about just 7% iron content is used for crushing, grinding, and beneficiation. We must save every kilogram of iron in China. Okay.
Material
selection
of grading ores in mine. With the grading process, we strongly recommend new low
chromium.
Yes. After compile grading more ores, amine at the energy saving and concentration efficiency of mine. We have developed a new type of casting iron grading ores and successfully increase the hardness of low criminal cast iron grading ores to about HRC 55. The impact volume is more than 10 J.
Okay, good. Okay. So the combination of high quality grinding boards and ceramic liners can effectively reduce chromium pollution. The pollution of hexavalent chromium to the environment is irreversible, and the millions of tons of cement and various slags pollute the environment every year. The consequences are very serious on the earth. So,
in the new concept of ball view system and intelligence, whether it is cement or mines, whether it is draw or wet grading process, we do not hesitate to recommend critical requirements.
okay, good. Okay, so this photo is shows us the ceramic mill liners in application, and you can see this is our boatless ceramic mill liners, and this is our boatless high chrome mill liners. Okay, the ceramic liner just one circle between the high chrome cast iron liners. Okay, you know, so far the ceramic ball mill liners have been successfully operated in a 3.8 meters and 30 meters long cement mill for 60 months. Even though the ceramic liners are mixed with high chromium cast iron liners, it is safe, reliable, and impeccable under the premise that the operating environment is not conducive to the ceramic liners. Okay. Inferior.
So where this trans of the nickel liner is more than 3 times that of cream for 15 calcium iron liner, where the weight is only 0.46 times that of custom type. Application of clinical manner will save a lot of still protect human life limited with our resources, rapidly reduce planet, replace the production, reduce labor
Intensity
of workers and increase production effectively, reduce energy consumption.
Yes, good. Okay. So the ceramic liner can prevent excessive chromium caused by the wear of the liners. When ceramic liners are used in conjunction with high alloy, high hardness grinding balls, it can extremely effectively reduce the environmental pollution of hexavalent chromium. So
the ball mill has entered the air of critical liners.
Ceramic liners, yes. So we firmly believe that in the ball mill system engineering, the combination of ceramic liners and metal balls will quickly spread to cement, mining, and other industries worldwide. Ceramic
liner will make a
brilliant contribution
to the 2025 China
manufacture. China manufacture, yes. So you will understand better, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's our conclusion? Okay, firstly, the new concept of crushing and grinding technology can increase the output of the ball mill by more than 20%, save about 20% of electricity, and extend the life of very resistant materials by more than 50%. Okay?
Under the new working conditions, the work task of the
Existing
ball mills have
undergone fundamental
change, which is necessary for
fully study
to the ball mills and use
comprehensive
technology to improve the
effective
power of the ball mills.
Yes. Okay. So thirdly, the ball grinding failure in ball mills is of no practical significance. Only the ball mill with uniform ball diameter has the greatest grinding ability. Fourthly,
The single
chamber
mill
composed
of acrylic liner with different surface shapes greatly increase the output of our consumption.
Yeah, consumption. Okay. So, fifthly, excellent wear-resistant materials are the basis of the new concept of crushing and grinding technology. Okay.
In the obvious acknowledge third critical
Ceramic.
liner and metal all will be the best completion, and it can actually reduce heavy ornament
Chromium pollution. Okay, yes. Okay, so my dear friends, if you are interested in our high alloy castings and forgings, especially our sand mill liners, cement mill liners, coal mill liners, please feel free to contact us. The most importantly, to follow our shop on Alibaba International, then email us or send us a short message to explain your inquiry and your requirements. Then we'd like to prepare for best quotation for you. Okay. Okay. So that's all for our live show about the new concept of fine crushing, grinding technology in cement and mining industries. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching, and let's welcome to our colleague Catherine to share her live show. Okay. Okay. Yes. So thanks my partner Hu Zhen. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. 看，胡真来，胡真报，胡真是怎么样？有没有在这个？看见没？在。1、2、3。Okay, so thank you, Hu Zhen. Okay, so let's welcome Catherine to start her live show. Okay. Okay, live show. Now we are waiting here to Catherine is preparing for her PPT, and we just wait a minute. Okay, so just now we finished the first live show about the ductless mill liners. Okay, so this is our in cement and mining industry. You know, EB China has the advanced technology about the crushing and grinding technology in cement and mining industries. And so far we have, we have very good production process about sand mill liners and cement mill liners. So if you are interested in our products, please contact us for very good commercial and technical proposal. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Catherine. Please, it's your time.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Catherine from EB China. Welcome to our live show. Today I will introduce the mental balls for you.
Okay, Catherine, and I think I will.
I divided it into two parts of mental balls. The first part is titanium balls, and the second part is cast balls. Titanium balls diameter 25 to 120 millimeter. Material is
没有准备。给他测一下那个吗？你看看他哪个场景比较好看，就这样吧。对对，这样。你就一定要对着他的镜头，尽量的。
GR5. The cast force diameter is 12.7, 15, 17, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100, 110, 125, 150 millimeter. The material is CR2, CR10, CR12, CR15, CR17, and CR26. The introduction of titanium. Titanium and its alloys are characterized by lightweight, high strength, strong heat resistance, and corrosion resistance. It's known as the metal of the future. It is a new structural material with a promising future. Titanium is widely used in chemical, medical, construction, and automobile industries because of its good corrosion resistance and heat resistance, high specific strength, and low density. The application of titanium in the chemical industry is mainly used for reactor heat exchanger, reactor concentrator, and various anti-corrosion chemical accessories, steering, shaft, flange, and some parts. In the medical field, it is mainly used for surgical implants and other medical materials. It can also be used for car parts, bicycle frames, and building roofs and decoration. Now, I will show some pictures for you. Photos of titanium balls. Look at this. Here is the products, titanium balls. Introduction of titanium balls. Titanium balls can be used for different purposes according to their materials and specifications. They can be used for jewelry and human culture. They can also be used in the medical industry, and the materials is TC4ERI. They are testing and packing the titanium balls. Here, look at this. Processing technology. Let's processing into a round black ball here, and then grinding out a certain degree of roundness. After manual polishing, the surface will achieve the mirror effort. The surface will achieve the mirror effort. You can look at this. Here they are. Testing the titanium balls. our quality certification of titanium balls. You can see here the visual inspection is accessible, and the ultrasonic inspection is accessible, and the dimensional inspection is accessible. It's our quality certification. Here is another quality certification about titanium. The price list of the titanium balls. For example, diameter 3 millimeter. The GR5 price is 0.14 US dollars. The GR2 Unite price is 0.12 US dollars. And diameter 4 millimeters. The GR5 Unite price is 0.15 US dollars, and the GR2 Unite price is 0.13 US dollars. The price list of titanium balls. Diameter 25 millimeter. The GR5 Unite price is 23 US dollars. And the GR2 Unite price is 20 US dollars. The service finish is less than 1.6. The next part is cast balls. Introduction of high autonomy alloy cast balls. High autonomy alloy cast ball, high grinding ball, high autonomy steel ball, simply called high autonomy ball. Most domestic wear-resistant material enterprises are mainly based on the intermediate frequency electric furnace. By smelting the high-quality scrap and chromium alloy materials up to reasonable matching, and micro-alloying and tempering the molten iron, and adding unique metal molds, and the sand mold casting molding process. Then after high temperature quenching and temperature treatment to obtain martensite matrix in order to achieve higher hardness and wear resistance. Application of high autonomy alloy cast balls. Casting balls are widely used in powder preparation and ultra-fine deep processing of industries such as cement building materials, metal mines, coal, slurry, thermal power, chemical engineering, light industry, paper making, magnetic materials, and other industries. The product has high hardness, low abrasion, good toughness, and less corrosion. During use, the surface hardness of the bits will be further improved, and the wear resistance will be enhanced. At the same time, the production capacity of the mill will be improved, and the specific surface area of cement and the recovery rate of concentrate will be improved. HRC of chromium alloy castables. In terms of chemical composite, there are dozens of different materials from low chromium to high chromium, which can be described as a wide variety. In order to standardize the industry standards and let people have a clear understanding of the chromium alloy casting balls, the GB 17445 to 2009 National Standard for Casting Grinding Balls. That's the low chromium ball. Chromium content is percent 1 to percent 3, and hardness HRC more than 45. Multiple alloy ball chromium content is 4% 4 to percent 6. Hardness HRC more than 47. High chromium alloy castables. Most of the grading media used in my country's cement industry are mainly high chromium balls. With the continuous development of cement grading technology, the specific surface area and fineness requirements of cement are more than beneficial. As a cement company, it is particularly important to select the correct material for the grinding body. High chromium alloy castables. The abrasive body with high abrasion resistance not only improves the grinding efficiency, reduces the time of stopping and replenishing the ball, and the number of opening and closing while maintaining the graduation unchanged for a long time, but also extends the clearance period and reduces the labor intensity of workers. It is of great significance to produce at the table, ensure the quality of the abrasive, and reduce the power consumption and the consumption of the grinding body. Here is the price list of CR12 castables. The diameter 100 mm, the unit price is $1,069 per ton. And the diameter 80 mm, the unit price is $1,079 per ton. And the diameter 60 mm, the unit price is $1,119 per ton. Okay, today I introduce the mental balls for you. If you like our products, you can send your inquiries to us. Now I will. ，Welcome to my college, Shelly. Hello. everyone, this is Xia from EB China. Welcome to our lab show today about cobalt alloy and dental alloy. Today I will introduce cobalt alloy and dental alloy. The first one is cobalt alloy. For cobalt alloy, I will mainly introduce standard burrs and sieves. The first one, the material of standard. Standard is a hard alloy that can withstand the various types of the wear and the clothing and high temperature oxidation. Commonly known as the cobalt chromium tungsten and the cobalt-based alloy. Standard is based on cobalt as the main component. Among the nickel, chromium, and tungsten. You can see this table for material from the standard. For chemical composition, this have standard 3, 4, 6, 5, and 20. For standard 3, the carbide is about 2.0 to 0.7%. For chromium, it's 29 to 33. For nickel, less than 3%. For tungsten, it's 11 to 13%. For cobalt, is balanced, and the iron is less than 30%. For standard 6, the carbide is 0.9 to 1.4. For chromium is 27 to 31%. For nickel is less than 3%. For tungsten is 3.5 to 5.5. For cobalt is balanced, and the iron is less than 3%. Standard 20. For carbide is 2.2 to 3%. For chromium, it's about 30 to 34%, and for nickel less than 3%. For tungsten, it's about 14 to 18%. For cobalt is balanced, and the iron is less than 3%. The next, the products for standard burrs and sieves. For this photo is standard burrs. The standard burrs is cobalt alloy. The hardness is HRC 45 to HRC 55. The mostly used the material is standard 20. This photo is for standard 6. The material of the standard 6 is generally lower than the material of the backboards. The material is mostly used from standard 3 or A3. The next photos for standard burrs and sieves. These photos First is our products. First day night births and sales. The next videos first day night births and sales.
这个是我们的环境的。
This video is day night births.
我们之间每个月、每年的年度、每个月、每个人的每个人都会有，然后有他应该那些，这是我们的我们的这些运营、这些运营用户这些点，然后这个是有限的，每个
This one is for process.
OK，
The next painted photos first day night births and sales. You can see these photos. We have two types for painting. One is carton, the other is wooden box. The next, test the report for their numbers and sales. This prepare is our test report. You can see the material is A3 and the diameter is 31.75 millimeter. The next chemical composition for carbide is 2.95 cm. For chlorine is 33.79 cm. For iron is 1.7 cm. For nickel is 1.95 cm. For tungsten is 18.1 cm. For cobalt is balance. The next physical properties. The hardness is 15 point HRC. The next different size for state night growth and states. For cobalt alloy and seeds, we have many different sizes. You can see this table. The first cobalt alloy boards. The specification, we have diameter 15.88 millimeter, diameter 19.05 millimeter, and the unit weight is 30 gram. For diameter 22.23 millimeter, the unit weight is 15 gram. For diameter 23.83 millimeter, the unit weight is 16.1 gram. And for diameter 25.4 millimeter, the unit weight is 74 gram. For diameter 31.75 millimeter, the unit weight is 145 gram. For diameter 34.95 millimeter, the unit weight is 195 gram. For diameter 42.88 millimeter, the unit weight is 357 gram. For diameter 15.8 millimeter, the unit weight is 593 gram. And the material is standard 20. The next crop analysis, we have V11 to 106, and the standard is API LAP V11 to 125. The the size is odd diameter is 23.31 millimeter, and the inner diameter is 13.97 millimeter, and the height is 12.7 millimeter. The next is V11 to 115. The unit weight is 15 gram. The next is V13 to 175. The size is all diameter is 35.26 millimeter, and the inner diameter is 20.96 millimeter, and the height is 5.7 millimeter, and the unit weight is 16 gram. The next is V11 to 200. The unit weight is 69 gram. The next V11 to 225. The unit weight is 100 gram. The next V11 to 250. The unit weight is 126 gram. And the material is standard 3 or A3. The next, I will show some samples for you. You can see this samples is standard burrs. This one is standard burrs. The diameter is 15.88 millimeter. And this one is standard 20 burrs, and the diameter is 15.8 millimeter, and the service is G100. The next samples is standard 6. The material is standard 3. The standard is V11 to 175. Okay. The next, export for standard burrs and Cs. We have exported standard burrs and Cs to many countries, such as USA, UK, Italy, Spain, Brazil, and Australia, and other countries. Our customers have very good feedback on our standard burrs and Cs. If you have any inquiry for standard burrs and Cs, please follow us. The next for dental alloy. The first chemical composition for dental alloy. The casting process of the dental alloy base is investment casting, also known as Nostovax casting method. The basic process is to first make a wax mold from wax or plastic. The surface of the wax mold is coated with an embedding material to make the casting mold, and then the molten alloy is cast into the casting cavity inside, forming a casting. For dental alloy, I prepared two types. You can see this one is cobalt chromium dental alloy, and the next one is nickel chromium dental alloy. For composition, the first one, cobalt chromium dental alloy. For chromium, it's 27 to 30%. For carbide, it's 0.2 to 0.26%. And the cobalt is balanced. The next is nickel chromium dental alloy. The composition for carbide is less than 0.05%. For chromium, it's 22 to 26%. For iron, less than 2%. And the nickel is balanced. The next, demand distribution for dental alloy. The market for dental alloy is very broad because of the widespread dental industry. The demand for the dental alloy has increased. As we all know, there are many kinds of dental alloy materials. There, we share some demand for the dental alloy of various materials. This further is demand distribution. The first one is nickel dental alloy, accounted for 59% of the world. The second one is cobalt and dental alloy, accounted for 31% of the world. The third one is nickel beryllium containing dental alloy, accounted for 7% of the world. The last one is others, accounted for 3% of the world. The next, photos for dental alloy. You can see these photos. The painting is plastic. The next, videos for nickel for dental alloy. This video is nickel chromium dental alloy. the next video. The next video is cobalt chromium dental alloy. Okay, the next I prepared some samples. I will show the samples for you. You can see this samples is nickel chromium dental alloy. The material is nickel chromium, and the size is diameter 9.6 millimeter, and the length is 10 millimeter. And the surface is bright. The next sample is cobalt chromium dental alloy. The material is cobalt chromium. The size is diameter 6 millimeter, and the length is 8 millimeter. These are our samples. If you have any inquiry for nickel chromium dental alloy and the cobalt chromium dental alloy, please follow us our shop. I will get for you as soon as possible. Thank you. Okay, that's all for my speech now. Thank you for your valuable time. Welcome to our next live show. Welcome to our colleague, Joyce.
现在还有暂停，但是也有了时间。它撑不了这么久呀，还得撑长时间长一点。撑还有1小时呢。1小时。行，钻机很多的，没有我看过加词。撑不了这么长，放第一页 ，OK。 笨了，你好笨。这没站着，看见头。对，看见吗？1、2、3。应该长一点好看。应该换个帽子长点。OK。长点，你讲慢点啊。长点，你讲慢点，撑半小时。
Hello everyone. This is Joyce from the China. Today, I will introduce the vertical iron metal cover produced by our company. First, thank you. First, I will introduce the advantages of vertical iron. It has good toughness. The impact value is similar to that of medium carbon steel, which is more than 10 times of grill iron weight. Second, it has high strength. The tensile strength is more than 420 MPa. The yield strength is more than 300 MPa. The same as the low carbon steel, 3 times of the grill iron weight. It also has good plasticity. The elongation is more than 7%, similar to high carbon steel. But grill iron weight elongation is almost zero. Next, it also has strong corrosion resistance. In the water spray corrosion test, the corrosion amount in 90 days is only 1/40 of steel pipe and 1/10 of the grill iron weight. The service life is twice that of grill iron pipe and 5 times that of ordinary steel pipe. The last one, it also has good damping and low cost. Because of the nodular graphite macro construction of nodular cast iron, it is superior to cast steel in reducing vibration. An important reason for choosing to fill audio graphite cast iron is such kind of cast iron has a lower cost than cast steel. The low cost of nodular cast iron makes this material more popular. The casting efficiency is higher, and the machining cost of nodular cast iron is also reduced. Next, I will introduce some characteristics of vertical iron manhole covers. First, it is no noise during service, in line with environmental requirements. The contact surface between the body and the ring is almost zero. We adopt 3 processes to assure 100% seamless match to eliminate the noise when the vehicles are passing by. The tensile strength, the toughness, the strong bearing force, the above 3 are several times that of ordinary cast iron, which are close to the material of steel. The carrying capacity is much better than the national standard. As you know, our national standard is 360 kN. It can withstand all kinds of heavy trunk rolling, and it also can efficiently prevent the accident from the failure of manhole covers. It is also very safety. The integrated connection of our safe vertical arm manhole cover will not fall off the ground and will not shift. It is non-slip cast process. The explicit non-casting technology makes our production lines clear and the unique non-slip pattern on the surface of the manhole cover increase the friction to prevent pedestrians from slipping due to rain, snow, and ice. The bigger Next, I will introduce the features of vertical arm groove covers. It has bigger bearing capacity, better anti-slip capacity, and better fixing performance. It will not lifted or washed away by rainwater during heavy rains. The material is generally cast iron with a gap in the middle facilitate the smooth flow of water into the well, and there is generally a row of strong sticks to block dirt or other debris. It is very easy construction and light in weight. It is better in load bearing, impact resistance, and anti-bending. It is very beautiful and durable after hot zinc treatment. It is better anti-corrosion. We adopt heat connection or hook connection, which is easy to open and has anti-theft function. Our manhole cover complies with the EN124 standard, as you can see on our screen. For A15, the bearing capacity is about 1.5 tons, and the application fuel is pedestrians and bicycles. For B125, the bearing capacity is about 12.5 tons. This time, it is very suitable for footpaths and pedestrian areas, car parks, or parking platforms. For C250, the bearing capacity is about 25 tons. It is very suitable for ditches beside the road. In another kind, D400, the bearing capacity for this kind is about 40 tons. The application fields are roadway, carriageway, path shoulder, and packing area. For E600, the bearing capacity is about 50 tons. The application field is aircraft hangars and flight runways. For F900, the bearing capacity is about 90 tons. It is very suitable for airstrip. Next, I will recommend some size and shapes of metal covers to you. If you need the bearing capacity of 1.5 tons, I recommend this for you. The first one, the outer diameter is 300 millimeter, and the cover diameter is 280 millimeter. The depth for this one is 25 millimeter. The unit weight is about 6.5 kilogram. Another one, for this one, the outer diameter is 500 millimeter. The cover diameter is 390 millimeter. The clear opening is 330 millimeter. The depth for this one is 60 millimeter. The unit weight is about 18.5 kilogram. For the silent who needs the bearing capacity of about 12.5 tons, I recommend two kinds for you. The first one is round. For this one, the outer diameter is 750 millimeter. The cover diameter is 600 millimeter. The clear opening is 570 millimeter. The depth is 50 millimeter. The unit weight for this one is 34 kilogram. Another one, for this one, the outer diameter is 400 millimeter. The cover diameter is 340 millimeter. The depth for this one is 30 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 9 kilogram. If you need the bearing capacity of 25 tons, you can try this kinds of manhole covers. The first one, the outer diameter for this one is 900 millimeter. The cover diameter is 700 meter. The clear opening is 660 and 70 millimeter. The depth for this one is 100 millimeter. The unit weight is about 60 kilogram. For this one, the outer diameter is 750 millimeter. The cover diameter is 635 millimeter. The clear opening is 600 millimeter. The depth for this one is 18 millimeter. The unit weight is about 55 kilogram. If you need the bearing capacity of 40 tons, the first one I recommend you is for this one, the outer diameter is 650 millimeter. The cover diameter is 540 millimeter. The clear opening is 510 millimeter. The depth for this one is 100 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 58 kilogram. For this one, the outer diameter is 850 millimeter. The cover diameter is 635 millimeter. The clear opening is 600 millimeter. The depth for this one is 100 millimeter. and the unit weight is about 65 kilograms. For this, you can see our screen. The bearing capacity is about 60 tons. The first one, our diameter is 900 millimeter. The cover diameter is 700 millimeter. The clear opening is 670 millimeter. The depth is 100 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 85 kilograms. For the second one, the out diameter is 760 millimeter. The clear opening is 600 millimeter. The depth is 100 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 100 kilograms. For this one, the width is 860 millimeter. The length is 1,390 millimeter. The depth for this one is 150 millimeter. The unit weight is about 430 kilograms. The last kind, for this kind, we can see the bearing capacity is about 90 tons. The length I recommend you is 560 millimeter. The width is 460 millimeter. The depth is 45 millimeter. The unit weight is about 40 kilograms. Next, I will recommend some real covers to you. If you need the bearing capacity of 1.5 tons, so I recommend this kind to you. The first one, the length is 500 millimeter. The width is 300 millimeter. The depth is 27 millimeter. The unit weight is about 6.5 kilograms. If you need the bearing capacity of 12.5 tons, you can try this kind. The out diameter for this one is 590 millimeter. The depth for this one is 50 millimeter. The unit weight is about 30 kilograms. Another one, the bearing capacity is 25 tons. For this one, the width is 465 millimeter. The length is 630 millimeter. The depth is 40 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 23.5 kilograms. The last one, the bearing capacity for this one is about 40 tons. The length I recommend you is 760 millimeter. The width is 295 millimeter. The depth is 230 millimeter. The unit weight is about 43 kilograms. Certainly, we have not only this size of products, but also many other kinds of many other sizes. For the kind reasons, we only introduce this. We can also customize various sizes of adaptable iron metal covers and wood covers according to the silent requirements. will show some production videos to you. This is our production plant. The next video, this is our factory smelting furnace. You can see in our previous video, we are covering. This is a video for flow chart. First we will do short blasting and then polish them. After finished product assembly, we will do anti-rust treatment. Okay, thanks for your valuable time. That's all for my speech. If you have any inquiry, please follow our shop and send your inquiry to us. We will try to quote you as soon as possible. Next, let's introduce. Welcome my colleague Catherine.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Catherine from EB China. Welcome to my live show about drilling rigs. Today I will introduce the drilling rigs for you. What's a drilling rig? A rig is a machine used for drilling, including power equipment and drill pies, drill bits, coal tubes, steel frames. There are two types of drilling rigs, impact type and rotary type. Drilling rig is complex, which is composed of machines united in the mechanism. Drilling rigs are mechanical equipment that drives drilling tools to drill underground to obtain physical, geological, during exploration or mineral resource development. The main function is to drive the drill to break the rock at the bottom of the hole and then run or lift the drill to in the hole. What's a drilling rig? It is widely used in prospecting railways, highways, bridges, water conservancy, and hydropower, tunnels, wells, anchors, industrial and civil construction, engineering, geological exploration, ground source thermal drilling, cobalt, methane drilling, anti-burst drilling of rigs. The composition of drilling equipment. The first is lifting system, and the second is rotating system, and the third is circulatory system, and the fourth is power system, and the fifth is transmission system, and the sixth is control system, and the seventh is base, and the ninth ancillary equipment. Coal drilling machine. Coal drilling rig is a kind of coal drilling equipment which is mainly used for the survey and the exploration of metal and non-metal solid minerals. In addition, it can also be used for engineering, geological survey, hydrogeological survey, oil and gas field survey and exploration, and water well drilling. Because coal drilling rigs require relatively complete, non-contaminated and non-stable formation rock samples, and coal drilling rigs are all rotary drilling rigs. According to the structure of the rig rotator, the coal rig can be divided into three categories: vertical shaft type, rotator table type, and mobile rotator type. Here are some pictures about GYQ200 or GYQ200A and GYQ200B drilling rigs. You can look at here. The introduction of GYQ200 and GYQ200A and GYQ200B drilling rigs. These three rigs are suitable for industrial and civil buildings and engineering geological surveys, such as highways, railways, bridge foundations, dam sites, water conservancy, wells, prospection, shallow oil and gas mining, mine tunnel ventilation, dry age and large caliber, foundation high hole construction. The Depending on the information, drills such as diamond, cemented carbide, and helix can be used for drilling. This model has the advantages of compact structure, lightweight, small size, and good detachability. These two rigs are one of the real and ideal equipment to meet the needs of the new market. Manufacturer. The first one is a more reasonable speed range has been selected with 8 speed levels, centralized speed change, mature self-locking, large low speed cone, and wide use range. It is suitable for both engineering, geological survey, and diamond core drilling. The second is the rig has 2 driver speeds to facilitate safe handling of faults. The third is rotary chuck adopts manual ball chuck and self-centering hydraulic chuck for users to choose. GY200 is a manual ball clamp type, reliable clamping, does not hurt the active drill rods, and can be reversed without stopping. GYQ200A and GYQ200B are hydraulic chuck type, which can collapse-size active drill rod or round drill rod. The fourth is equipped with enough instruments. It is helpful to grasp the situation in the hole. There are fewer operating handles. The layout is more readable, and the operation is flexible and reliable. The fifth is the double plate normally closed friction clutch is adopted, which is flexible in opening and closing and convenient for adjustment and use. The sixth is the vertical hole of GYQ200B drilling rig is large, reaching 93 mm and 89 track drill pipe can be used for rotary spurring operation. The Stellance is equipped with a front and back moving cylinder. The garter moves backwards by 465 mm, which brings a lot of convenience to the drilling tool. The eighth is the rig is light in weight, compact in structure, and easy to assemble and disassemble. It can be used for drilling in hills or mountains. Here are some pictures of hydraulic chunk. The surface is very smooth. Here is the GYQ200 and 200A drilling rigs. Technical parameters. For the GY200 drilling rig with 9-days engine, EXW price is $7,283 per set. For the GY200 drilling rig with electric motor, EXW price is $7,022 per set. For the GYQ 208 drilling rig with guided engine, the XW price is $7,632 per set, US dollars per set. For the GYQ 208 drilling rig with electric motor, EX price is $370 US dollars per set. For the GYQ 200B drilling rig with guided engine, EXW price is $8,155 US dollars per set. For the GYQ 200B drilling rig with electric motor, EXW price is $7,893 US dollars per set. Here is the picture about GYQ 308 drilling rig. This is the GYQ 308 drilling rig's technical parameters. For the GYQ 308 drilling rig with guided engine, EXW price is $10,942 US dollars per set. For the GYQ 308 drilling rig with electric motor, EXW price is $9,496 US dollars per set. Here is the pictures of MDL 150H cruiser anchor rig. The color is blue. For the MDL 150H drilling rig, EXW price is $41,121 US dollars per set. This is the XY4 drilling rig. The color is orange. For the XY4 drilling rig with 4,100 guided engine, EXW price is $14,602 US dollars per set. For the XY4 drilling rig with Y225S for electric motor, EXW price is $13,364 US dollars per set. Here are the pictures about XY448 drilling rig. For the XY448 drilling rig with 4,100 guided engine, EXW price is $21,623 US dollars per set. For the XY448 drilling rig with Y225M4 electric motor, EXW price is $20,526 US dollars per set. Here are some questions about drilling rig and answers about drilling rig. What kind of geology or soil is there at your site? Soil, sand, and rock. The second question is, what's your specific application? Answer is for water well, cone examining or others. The third question is, do you require to equip electric motor or diesel engine with your drilling rigs? The fourth question is, what's the depth and diameter of your drilling holes? The depth and diameter of your drilling holes. GY2 200 diameter is less than 130 millimeter. The GY2 200A, the diameter is less than 100 to 150 millimeter. The GY2 300A, the depth is 3,000 meter and the diameter is about 150 millimeter. My introduction about drilling rigs is over.
Thank you. Thanks for Catherine. Thanks for Catherine. Okay.
If you are interested in our products, you can send us inquiries about drilling rigs.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for Catherine. You know, she shares the information of our products drilling rigs. Okay. So, thanks for her good performance. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, so now you know. Hello everyone. So now you know, EB China has come back to work, and you know, so we are waiting for your inquiries. Okay. So good luck and good fortune for you for 2021. Okay. Okay. Okay, so thanks for watching here. You know, EB China now. Today we held the live show for all of you. Thanks for your watching. 旺集中一点，你给他排。哎，这样，让他们两个高的站在中间。Joyce。啊，长平高啊，好，可以吧？来，长平拿着。中间你跟 Sherry 看要说什么？来，首先我们时间还够了，可以预演一下，
非常充足。
所以预演一下，因为他要拍视频。我们就说 Hello everyone 吧，还是说 Hello my dear friends。先说第一个 Hello my dear friends。EB China has come to work， 我们已经回来工作了。然后我们等待着您的询盘 ，We are waiting for your inquiries。然后接着就是 Good luck， 好运 ，Good fortune， 就是财富 ，for 2021。好，会说了，知道了。OK， 我们先来一遍哈，先预演一下哈。好的，Hello my dear friends。EB China has come back to work. We are waiting for your inquiries. Good luck and good fortune for 2021. 好，再来一遍。再来一遍。OK。
再预演一遍，最
后一遍吗？ Hello, my dear friends. EB China has come to work. We are waiting for your inquiries. Good luck and good fortune for 2021. EB China has come back to work. 好了，差不多了。哎，最后来个手势吧。说完了之后来个什么手势？来这个，做一下还是？
长笔就不用了。
来说，哎， 看你，最后来个这个作揖，你把它
Shelly
架起来，架起来。
Shelly
那个小汤，你再架高一点，架高，
往里面靠。
先手放进来，然后这样，
好，
开。
来了，3、2、1，开始。
Hello, my dear friends. EB China has come back to work. We are waiting for your new inquiries. Good luck and good fortune for 2021. 可以了吧？
还有10几分钟呢。
10几分钟没事，你就暂停了，
结束了。
结束。这个是安这里。那个你把它收起来。
我们要注意。
我们也收一下。
放着了。
可以。中间这个不要，中间那个是冲这个的。